Hello, folks. It's time to do today's CSS Battle. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Look at this guy. All right, what do we got here? Well, we have a circle, right? And I think we can accomplish the top circle with a conic gradient. That would be my that'd be my first thought. So I think we are going to use an element. And so let's go ahead and put the margins on the paragraph tag. And to start with, we'll put that bluish color on the background, or on the background of the paragraph tag. Set our margins to narrow in precisely. And then if we can do a conic, if we can do a height of 100, or yeah, we'll do a height of 100, and let's do a border radius of 50%. 50%. And then what's the height? We set the height of 200. Oh, nope, no good. Why? What's going on? Something's going on here. But the height is not taking. Border radius 50%. Height. Oh, because I've got it twice. That's why. Not paying attention. I guess that's the height. Okay, so here's where we implement our conic gradient. I'm only going to do the top part of this using this technique. So we want a conic gradient that is do we want a yeah, we want a conic gradient. Okay, so we want to start at blue, go into this color, the dark color, and then blue again. Yeah, and then we're gonna do, it's gonna have a height. So we want to first set up, so it's gonna be at 0, 0 to start with, and then it's gonna be like 60 pixels wide, and then be 60 pixels tall. And then we're going to repeat only on the y-axis, on the x-axis. So you're kind of seeing the point there. This will come into focus pretty soon. So it's 110 pixels tall. We need an at value of 10 pixels. Oh, right now we'll do two ridiculous numbers. They're on. That's fine. 25%, 0, 50%. 0. Okay, so that's showing you a little bit of what I'm getting at there. 200, 100, and then the at. Okay, so we want to do we'll start with a no repeat. And add a background of yellow just to show the constraint. Which is not going to show us anything. Why? Because semicolon, that's why. Okay, well, let's make this wider. 2, 3, 4. So if I can get that all the way over and cover the part that's sticking up, and then the height is correct. Yeah, the height is correct. And then the at value needs to be lower, 20. No, that is wrong axis. There's 90 and 40, 30, 35. Okay, and then we repeat on the x-axis. and that covers the top part of this. We can also not use this number, and we can use transparent. Next is the other part of this, which is another conic gradient. So this is conic gradient, conic gradient, conic gradient, which is the dark color, 75%, which is also 270 degrees, and then the blue color, 0. It's not going to be as tall. If we do at 50%, 20 pixels, and then move that down, I guess it's got to be taller than that. And I think that 40% is too high. That looks like it could be in the zone. So we'll do 0, we'll do 50 pixels, 100 pixels to start with. Got to be lower. That's too low. 1.7 at perfect. 6, 8, 9. And it needs to be wider. So 60. 55. That looks right. And that is one way to do that problem. Okay, we're showing my bias for conic gradients, and that's 100% match, so we'll stick with that. You could do this all in the body. You do this all with radial gradients and then individual linear gradients with different sizes and background positions. You could do it with a second element. You could do it with border radius, 50%, and then a bottom border. You got so many choices here. This is the way I chose to do it. And you know, all of the ways have their merits. I certainly enjoy doing stuff that way. All right, have a great day. Make something with HTML and CSS today. These are awesome technologies that are available to you to use in a browser. If you have access to a computer with a browser, you can make a web page. All right, take care. Bye.